This is our greatest and latest two-pocket currency discriminator. We have a reject pocket and the stacker. Okay. The unique about this product is different competitor is you can see here is single place access to clear the jam. Very simple. If there's a jam, the user always just open the back here, and they can clearly access the location to remove the jam very easily. Only single place to clear the jam only. Not like a competitor product, they have two locations, either upper, lower, or the front and the back. And our unit is only a single location to clear the jam. That's one of the plus features. A second feature is the upgrade. Our system will upgrade using a called a SD memory that is installed on the unit. All unit will come with an SD card, micro SD card. The whole application will run on this SD card. Okay, so if any upgrade needed, we will provide a file, and all we do is just remove the micro SD, plug computer, and put a new file on, and put it back on onto the unit. Take it out, install the new file. When it's done, put it back into unit. Okay, and put the cap back on. There's a cap we provide. Here's a cap that always cover. Here's always a cover. We provide it, and this is screw back in and turn power back on, and the upgrade is complete. Very, very simple process. Okay. And then we have all the keypad function. All the keypad control here. Very, very user friendly. Let's power this on and go through all the feature and function and lead you how the unit perform. On this demonstration, we'll install a thermal printer. Okay, let me go through all the feature and function of this unit. And you can see the screen here. I hope you can see it. DD auto, we call it, is denomination detection. Denomination detection. Auto is the sorting, which means is if I have a mixed bill, if I want to offshore them, and the first bill is going to be $1, it will recognize $1, and the rest of the denomination will be on the reject pockets, which we call a DD auto, which stands for a sorting. Denomination detection, okay, also mean for sorting. If I select the nom again, I say DD mix, which is we can count the whole mixed bill. It gives you the total value of all mixed denomination. Our unit will accept all denomination, 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, and 50, and 100, either old or new. Okay. The new $100 bills will be released coming soon. We will have an upgrade. As soon as the upgrade is ready, we email you the file and put it onto your SD card, and that should be done. Okay. So the next mode is count. Count is strictly a counting, just a regular count mode, and I'll just give you the total piece count. The next mode is called facing and oriented, which is you can do a facing direction of the bill or oriented direction of the bill. Either face up, face down, or oriented direction of the bill. You can have all the features here. Here is unique features. It's called a serial. This is a US dollar serial printing recognition, which means we can process all the bill, either mixed mode or auto mode, which is called the sorting mode, and at the same time we capture the serial number of the bill and send them to the printer. If you have the printer connected, we will send that data to the printer. It's really good features, and most competitor is an optional, and it will average about, I believe, $400 to $600 for this additional feature. For us, this will be standard for our unit. Okay. Of course, you will require the thermal printer. Printer will be an optional, but the serial recognition on the bill on the unit is a standard features. You can do mix count, or you can do auto under the serial recognition. Okay, and we go ahead and hit mode again. It's on the DD mix. Okay, here's the mix. We process about 700 note per minute. Okay, on the discrimination mode on the mix or a auto DD. Now I'm gonna put one. I'm gonna put the stacker bill with all the mix count. We're at 1, 5. Okay, 50, 10, and 100. Okay, as you can see here, we have a 44 pieces and total value $317. Okay, this is a mix mode. Even though you can see, I know everybody complain, why the speed the actually, even though it's run a little slower competitor, but our unit, the feature of our unit is if you have any bill with a corner fold like this, look at it, you have a over ½ an inch corner fold on both the side. Okay, most of the competitor product will reject this, and I mean the user or the teller, cashier, have to unfold it, straighten them out, and process it. Our unit we're able to process this bill. You can see it right there. We can process the bill. So any bill like this, we have a mixed bill, you can process without going to the reject. So at the end of the transaction, we still faster. Okay, we still faster the competitor because we don't have to wait to straighten out the bills out. Okay, that's one of the unique features about our product. This is a mixed mode. Now for the batching capability, we have really cool feature in batching. And you click on batch here. Here's my pocket batch, which is called, this pocket batch right here is applying to a mix count. If you do a mix count, I can set my batch at 100, do whatever I want. And here's is my reject pocket size. I have 4 size. It's a 20, 30, 50, and 70. On the reject pocket, we can use only preset batch, preset amount 20, 30, 50. Now you can change right here by using right arrow and left arrow to change the size. Right now we can set at 20 bill for reject. Okay, and you scroll down. Here's a unique one, the preset batch. This preset batch is applied to all the auto mode, which means it's a sorting mode. For example, if I place if my $1 bill right now is my batch is 50, okay, my $2 batch is 100 pieces, my $5 is batch of 50. So I can go down here and change. Okay, I can change my value. See now my $10. Here's my $10 bill. I can change my batch size to 10 pieces only. Okay, and when I change it, I just apply it and forget about it. I mean, from now on, every time I put on the auto mode, I put the bills on, the machine will recognize the nomination, will apply this preset batch. Simple as that. So I mean, a lot of people, using it. They love it because because everybody can change the batch size at any location you want. You have all different batch size. You don't have to worry about change it every time you change the nomination. Here you can preset it and forget about it. Okay. Now hit OK. Now when I change the auto here, now my first bill is going to be $1, and my batch size right now you can see 100. But as soon as I can recognize the nomination, will apply the preset. So if I put a $1 bill, my batch size will change to 50. Okay. Now as you guess what, we're sorting $1. Look at my batch size is 50. Okay. If I add more, let me add more $1 bill on here. Okay. Now my batch is 50, and everything, all different nominations go to a short mode. I'm going to go to reject. Okay. Now I remove this. Okay. Now I'm going to put a $5 in here. My $5, actually my $10. My $10 bill, my batch size is 10. I preset earlier it was 10. Now I'll put them on here. So you can see right here, my $10 bill, the batch is 10 notes. Okay? So you can see, very simple. You don't have to worry about changing the size every time you change the nomination. You can go ahead and preset ahead of time and forget about it. And you're done. Okay. Now let's go to the unique feature of this product is a serial printing. If I have a bunch of bill, okay. Remember now, under the serial recognition printing, we only process about 400 notes per minute, and make sure all the notes have be facing down. So you can using a facing oriented mode to preset, make sure pre-sort your money with all the face, with all the same facing. Okay. Now, when you put a face down, it will process the bill. Okay. Now, this again slower. It's running about 400 bills per minute. Okay. When it's done, okay, all you do is hit print, and all you do is send all the serial number that we recognize in the bill onto the printer. This is a really cool, unique features that all the competitors were charging quite a bit money for that. As you can see right there. Look, all the serial number we just print, and all the serial number is go in order according to the bill. It's just it's been, see, the first bill was right here. You can see the serial number for the first bill, and serial number for the second bill is all match. Okay, so this is a standard feature on all unit. This is our latest and the greatest product. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or email. Thank you.